Welcome to Star Chat, the premier destination for all things space and astronomy. I'm your host, Carl, and I'm thrilled to have you join me on this journey through the cosmos. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating story that's out of this world, literally. Imagine a spacecraft traveling through the vast expanse of our solar system on a mission to uncover the secrets of one of Jupiter's most enigmatic moons, Europa. The Europa Clipper, launched in October 2024, is on a quest to explore this icy world, and recently, it made a significant pit stop at Mars. But why, you might ask, would a spacecraft designed to study Europa take a detour to the Red Planet? Well, my curious listeners, it's all about gravity. And I'm not just talking about the kind that keeps us grounded on Earth. The Europa Clipper flew by Mars in March 2025, using the planet's gravitational pull to reshape its trajectory and set itself up for a successful encounter with Europa in 2030. But that's not all. This flyby also presented an opportunity for the spacecraft to test its radar instrument, known as REASON, over terrain that NASA scientists have been studying for decades. As the Europa Clipper zipped by Mars, its radar system sent and received radio waves for about 40 minutes, collecting a staggering 60 gigabytes of data. And I'm excited to report that the results are in. The instrument is working beautifully, just as the engineers had hoped. The team is ecstatic, and they're already getting a head start on learning how to process the data and understand the instrument's behavior compared to models. But what makes this radar system so special? Well, my friends, it's unlike any other. The REASON instrument uses two pairs of slender antennas that jut out from the solar arrays, spanning an impressive 58 feet. These antennas are key components in helping scientists understand how the ice on Europa may capture materials from the ocean and transfer them to the surface. As we continue to explore our solar system, missions like the Europa Clipper remind us of the awe-inspiring complexity and beauty of our cosmos. The search for answers about Europa's subsurface ocean and potential habitability is an exciting one, and we're honored to be a part of it. We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat, dear listeners. We've got a thrilling tale to share with you today, one that takes us to the farthest reaches of our solar system and beyond. Imagine being able to intercept a mysterious visitor from interstellar space, a comet or object that's been traveling through the vast expanse of the cosmos for millions of years. Sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? But, as we'll discover, scientists are actively exploring ways to make this a reality. Let's dive into the story of 3E Atlas, an interstellar object that's currently hurtling towards our solar system at breakneck speeds. This enigmatic visitor is expected to pass close to Mars in the coming months, and researchers are scrambling to determine if any of our current spacecraft can be rerouted to intercept it. One possibility being considered is NASA's Juno spacecraft, which has been orbiting Jupiter since 2016. However, as Mark Burchell at the University of Kent points out, Juno is showing its age, having launched back in 2011, and already encountering several technical glitches this year. Another contender for an intercept mission is the European Space Agency's Jupiter Icy Moons Explorer, or JUICE, which is currently en route to study 3 of Jupiter's moons. While JUICE won't be able to change course to meet 3I Atlas, it may still offer a closer view than Earth-based observations. But as Luca Conversi at the essay notes, astrodynamics is more complicated than what we see in sci-fi movies, and it's not easy to change the course of spacecraft. The challenges are indeed significant, but scientists are exploring innovative solutions. For instance, Colin Snodgrass at the University of Edinburgh suggests that a large mission with a lot of fuel and minimal sensors could potentially catch up to an object like 3I Atlas. Alternatively, putting small satellites into large orbits around Earth could provide a network of spacecraft that could be used for future intercept missions. As we continue to push the boundaries of space exploration, we're reminded that the universe is full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled. The study of interstellar objects like 3E Atlas can reveal valuable insights into the formation and evolution of our solar system, as well as the potential for life beyond Earth. So, what does the future hold for intercepting these cosmic visitors? With upcoming astronomy projects like the Legacy Survey of Space and Time, we'll gain a better understanding of the number of interstellar objects that enter our solar system, as well as earlier warnings of their arrival. As Snodgrass notes, even if you had a year warning instead of a few months warning before perihelion, that would make a big difference. Stay tuned for our final story of the day, right here on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat. We're wrapping up today's episode with a fascinating story about the people behind the scenes of space exploration. As we've been discussing the latest developments in space technology and missions, it's essential to remember the dedicated individuals who make these endeavors possible. Today, we're shining the spotlight on Mark Cavanaugh, an aerospace engineer at NASA's Johnson Space Center in Houston. With nearly a decade of experience, Mark has worked on various projects, including the International Space Station and the Artemis program. His current role involves ensuring the safe integration of critical systems for the Orion spacecraft, which will take humans back to the moon. What's inspiring about Mark's story is his passion for space exploration, which began at a young age. Despite facing challenges in his career path, he persevered and eventually landed his dream job at NASA. Mark's journey is a testament to the power of dedication and hard work. As we learn more about Mark's experiences, we're reminded that behind every successful space mission, there are countless individuals working tirelessly to make it happen. From engineers to technicians, scientists to astronauts, each person plays a vital role in advancing our understanding of the universe. Mark's story also highlights the importance of collaboration, empathy, and creative problem-solving in overcoming technical challenges. As he says, we're all working toward the same incredible goal, even if we don't always agree. This mindset is essential for pushing the boundaries of space exploration and achieving greatness. As we conclude today's episode, let's take a moment to appreciate the unsung heroes like Mark Cavanaugh, who are driving progress in space technology. Their contributions may not always be in the spotlight, but they're instrumental in helping us reach for the stars. That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.